I had, obviously really hard water. And I have tried everything you can see down there where I tried to scrub it with bleach and it was just taking so long because...
In America, their hard water often contains iron oxide. Now, this lady is going on, so I'm going to talk you through what she's doing with a slight caveat at the end. It's hard water. It's that orange colour is iron oxide rust. And, as you will find out, the normal cleaners won't bust it, but what she needs is what she's going to use next, kind of.
Zep acidic toilet bowl cleaner. I just use it on my toilet and my sink, so now I'm going to try it on my shower. And
it's really satisfying. Now, the only issue with that is, yes, absolutely, the thing that you clean hard water off with is an acid. Vinegar is rarely strong enough, and that's why people start using the lavatory bowl cleaners, and they work because they are more strongly acid and they cling. However, the slight caveat there, which she doesn't show, she puts it on, she squirts it all over, she spreads it around, she does a brilliant job, and it brings it up beautifully. You see it fizzing. The only slight caveat is before you get it anywhere near the metal, check that it is not hydrochloric acid, because if it is, it will turn the metal black. Might I suggest that you would be better off seeing if you can find a spray version? I know there's something called CLR over there, which I've never used. I would use Viacal, because it's got that same thick consistency, so it clings to a surface, and just coat it. You have to remember it's a chemical reaction. So there's no good putting a bit on and rubbing it and finding it works a bit and then it stops working. You have to use a lot, and you'll see it fizz up, and then the stuff will just rinse off. The other thing that you have to be careful about, and I know it's a problem in this country, and I think it is over there with some, is that the other lime scale removers, things like Harpic, limescale removing loo cleaner, really effective product. It's a dark navy blue when it comes out, and it can stain, especially plastics that shower things are made out of. So you squirt it on, it dissolves the limescale beautifully, but it leaves you with blue streaks, and it can streak the metal. If you remember, I made a TikTok a while ago about somebody who had marked their sink by using it. So it is probably better, always read what acid you're using. There's nothing wrong with using that if you keep it well away from the metal and make sure that you do, like she's doing, moving it quickly. That's not terribly covered, so it doesn't dye the thing. I would personally then shoot along and find something, a spray version of something that's specifically designed to use limescale and on showers, because that will be less likely to stain and less likely to mark your taps up.